Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
IQOO Z9x just launched a few days ago. Fast refresh rate display, IP64 water and dust resistance rating, lightweight in design, huge battery, and many more. Today I am going to show you first impression of IQOO Z9x 5G phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. There's a leak suggesting that the OnePlus Nord 4 might be launching in the global market around the 11th or 12th of this month. I've already uploaded an unboxing and detailed review video of the OnePlus Nord 4. If you haven't checked it out yet, you can find the link in the description below or in the card above. Be sure to give it a watch. Let's first take a look at the design of the IQOO Z9x. At first glance, it resembles IQOO's flagship phone, the IQOO 12, with its rounded square-shaped camera module. This particular one comes in starburst white color, and you'll also have options like dark night and green. The phone's build is made of plastic, both the frame and the back. However, the screen stands out as it features one of the brightest LCD screens in the industry. Up until now, LCD screens typically reached a maximum brightness of around 650 nits, but this one surpasses that. This screen offers a maximum brightness of up to 1000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in sunlight. It's one of the brightest displays out there. Additionally, it comes with global true DC dimming and eye protection features, which are standard for LCD screens and offer natural eye protection. Another noteworthy feature is the IP64 water and dust resistance rating, meaning the phone can withstand some splashes and dust. Even if the phone gets wet, the touch functionality remains intact. Talking about performance, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 entry-level 5G processor built on a 4nm platform. However, the company claims that this chipset's performance matches that of the second generation 7's Gen 2. Looking at the Antutu benchmark scores, it can go beyond 560,000 points, indicating above average performance. Moving on to the camera department, the phone features a rear-facing dual camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixels, while the secondary camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, there's an 8 megapixel front camera. The phone doesn't have optical image stabilization, but it can shoot 4K videos and supports Euro electronic stabilization. For daily use, it's a decent choice. We'll dive into camera samples in detail in the upcoming review, so stay tuned to our channel. Another significant feature is the huge 6000 mAh battery with 44W charging support. Additionally, it supports reverse charging, so you can use the phone as a power bank too. Talking about the price, the base variant of the IQOO Z9x starts at 1,149 yuan in China, which translates to around 127 pounds in the UK or $160 in the USA for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage version. In conclusion, this phone offers the brightest LCD display, along with an IP64 rating for water and dust resistance. It also comes with a huge battery without being too thick or heavy. Additionally, it features stereo speakers capable of playing sound at 300% louder volume and includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a nice addition. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.